Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer BNB from your Trezor wallet to Kucoin in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, this guide will help you move your Binance Coin securely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Trezor hardware wallet is set up and connected to your computer. Trezor is one of the most reliable options for storing crypto, keeping your assets safe from online threats. Open the Trezor Suite app or your preferred wallet interface that supports BNB, like the Trezor Bridge. Next, locate your BNB balance in the wallet. Double-check that you have enough BNB to cover the transfer fees. Remember, blockchain transactions aren't free. Now, head over to Kucoin. Log into your Kucoin account and navigate to the deposit section. Select BNB from the list of cryptocurrencies, and Kucoin will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy this address carefully. It's like a digital lock and key, so one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Back in your Trezor wallet, initiate a send transaction. Enter the Kucoin address you just copied, specify the amount of BNB you want to transfer, and review the details. Trezor will prompt you to confirm on the device itself for added security. Always a smart move in the crypto space. Once confirmed, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it. This usually takes a few minutes, but network congestion could make it longer. Keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. Pro tip: never share your private keys or recovery phrases, and always use two-factor authentication on exchanges like Kucoin to protect your assets. And just like that, you're done. Your BNB should now appear in your Kucoin account, ready for trading or whatever's next. If you run into any issues, double-check everything and reach out to official support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Stay safe out there.